With our platform, you can place a special type of orders called Conditional Orders. These let you build complex trading strategies and manage your investments better through semi-automated trading. A conditional order is a pending order that is attached to an existing confirmed limit stop and only becomes active after the limit stop is executed. Note that conditional orders can't be linked to a limit stop attached to a position, but only to an order initially placed as a limit stop. You can link up to 100 conditional orders to a confirmed limit stop. To place a conditional order, click on the dedicated button in the trading toolbar, or right-click on Limit Stop in the Pending Orders window and choose the Conditional Orders option. You can also access the Conditional Orders window by right-clicking on any instruments in the Quotes or Positions windows, and again choosing the Conditional Orders option. From that window, you can request new or edit existing conditional orders. You will find 4 buttons in the Conditional Orders window: New, Attached to, Base, and Last Order. Use the New button to place a new order, or click on the Attached to button to view all pending orders, limit, stop, or one cancels the other, that have already been placed but have no conditional orders attached to them yet. The Base or Base Orders button opens a list of all orders that have conditional orders attached to them. When you attach a conditional order to a confirmed limit stop one cancels the other, it becomes a base order and is moved to the base list. The Last Order button shows the conditional orders tree for the selected instrument. You can quickly and easily modify your conditional orders by copy-pasting them. Just click the button at the upper left corner of the orders ticket. The orders you have copied will be marked with a darker color. Then hover over any of the other orders in the tree to see whether you can submit the orders already copied to the clipboard. You will see one of 2 options. Paste here. Just click on the order to paste the copied orders. You cannot paste on this order. Cannot paste the copied orders. To exit copy mode, click on End Copy. The copy feature facilitates your actions when you want to submit the same sequence of orders with the same parameters, and you can also view the expected returns from each of them.